Let me ask you a question. Are project managers about to be replaced by AI? I know I've covered this multiple times, but I got another angle here. Because if you listen to social media right now, you would think project management is going to become fully automated. AI can write status reports, build schedules, summarize meetings, analyze risks, generate dashboards, create project schedules, and even draft stakeholder communications. So naturally, a lot of project managers sit and wondering, well, what happens to my role? And honestly, that's the wrong question. The better question is, what parts of project management can AI not replace? Because AI is absolutely changing project management, no question. Great project managers are becoming more valuable, not less. So today, I want to talk about AI and how it will automate, but where AI still struggles and why leadership, decision making, communications, and organizational influence are becoming more important for the future project management. For those who do not know me yet, my name is Bill Dow. I've spent decades leading projects, building PMOs, recovering troubled initiatives, and working directly with executive leadership teams across multiple industries and multiple companies. And the one thing I can tell you for sure, project management has never just been about schedules and status reports. The real work has always been about leadership, decision making, stakeholder management, conflict resolution, executive communications, and navigating organizational complexity. I call it the art and science of project management. And those are exactly the areas where AI still struggles. Now, that doesn't mean AI won't impact project management. Absolutely not. AI is going to change our profession significantly. But what I believe project managers who understand how to combine AI with strong leadership skills are going to become incredibly valuable in the next few years. Okay, what AI will replace in project management? Let's start with the reality. AI is already automating some parts of project management. And honestly, some of those tasks probably should be automated. Think about how much project managers spend time on manual reporting, meeting summaries, status updates, documentation, dashboard preparation, basic scheduling, administration, and coordination. AI can already accelerate many of those activities dramatically. We're seeing tools now that can generate project summaries, analyze schedule risks, draft communication updates, identify project trends, automate meeting notes, predict delivery delays. That's real. It's really happening. It's not great, but it's starting to happen. And over time, those capabilities will improve even more. But here's the important distinction: most of those activities are administrative functions. They're not leadership functions, which is the core to project management. And that's where the conversation changes completely. Because the higher you move in and the deeper you move into project management, the less valuable task administrations become and the more valuable human leadership becomes. And that's a critical shift that's happening right now. So, what AI still cannot replace? So, let's talk about those values where great project managers still create enormous value. First, decision making. AI can provide recommendations, but organizations don't run on recommendations alone. Project environments are messy. You're balancing politics, risk, executive pressure, resource conflicts, organizational culture, changing priorities, and human emotions. AI doesn't truly understand organizational dynamics the way experienced leaders do. Secondly, stakeholder management. Think about this for a second. A frustrated executive, a resistant business unit, a disengaged sponsor, a burned out team member. These situations require emotional intelligence, trust, influence, credibility, resource building, and that's not easy to automate. Third, executive communication. This is a huge one. Executives don't just want information, they want clarity, they want confidence, they want context. Great project managers understand that. They understand what matters to leadership, how to communicate risks, when to escalate, how to frame decisions, how to influence outcomes. AI just generates the words, but leadership communication is all about judgment, and that's the difference. And finally, conflict resolution, right? Projects involve people. People disagree, priorities collide, departments compete, leadership changes direction. A strong project manager often acts as a facilitator, a negotiator, a coach, a translator, a stabilizer. That human leadership role is incredibly difficult to replace with AI. Let's look at the real future of project management. Here's where I think many people misunderstand what's happening. AI is not eliminating project management. AI is limiting low value project administration. And honestly, that may actually improve the profession because project managers can pivot to the more important areas. For years, many project managers just became buried in reporting, templates, manual tracking, administrative work, process maintenance, right? And AI now creates an opportunity for PMs to spend more time on strategy, leadership, stakeholder engagement, risk management, business alignment, and decision support. That's where project management is heading. The role is becoming even more strategic and not about doing the less important ideas and tasks. And organizations are increasingly realize they don't just need project coordinators anymore. They need project leaders. And that's a major difference.
Hold on for a quick second. Bill is going to show you something that might really help. Back in a moment.
Are you looking for a tool that actually helps you sell more without adding more complexity? Then trust me, this is worth your attention. Most people don't have an offer problem. They have a checkout problem. Too many tools, too many workarounds, and way too much manual effort to collect payments and deliver products. I've seen it over and over again. That's why I recommend ThriveCart. It's an all-in-one, no-coding checkout platform used by 75,000 plus businesses and trusted with over 8 billion in sales. Checkouts, upsells, subscriptions, affiliates, and even courses all working together in one system. Why does this matter, right? Well, your checkout isn't a payment page. It's where revenue is either generated or accelerated or quietly lost. So if you want a faster, more convenient, and simple tech stack, take a look at ThriveCart using the link below. You set it up once and you let it scale with you. I've been using it for years. I absolutely love this system. Check it out below and let me know what you think. Thanks.
Thanks for sticking around. Let's get back to it.
So, project managers who ignore AI will struggle. There's no question. Now, having said all of that, there's another reality project managers need to understand. Ignoring AI is a mistake, a very big mistake. While AI may not replace strong project managers who fail to adapt may absolutely struggle. And think about this way. If a project manager can automate reporting, accelerate analysis, generate insights faster, prepare executive updates quicker, and reduce overhead, think about that. While another project manager is still doing everything manually, which one do you think to the organization will provide more value? Of course. This is why modern project managers must develop, right? They want their AI literacy, they want data awareness, they want business thinking, strategic communications, and adaptive leadership skills. The future project manager is not about just managing schedules anymore. They're becoming decision facilitators, strategic communicators, organizational influencers, and business problem solvers. And that's the evolution that's happening right now in project management. So, what great project managers should focus on next? This is where they should go moving forward. First, they have to learn the AI tools actually do work. not from all the hype videos or the sales videos. They have to go look and see how they'll work or not on their projects. They want practical experimentation, right? They want to use AI in their tools. This will help them understand where AI lands, right? Where AI creates risks, where human validation matters, and where leadership judgment is still critical. Second, you got to strengthen your communication skills because communication becomes more and more important, not less important, especially executive communication, stakeholder influence, difficult conversations, escalation, and strategic storytelling. And third, you want to develop great business awareness, right? Great project managers understand strategy, they understand financial impact, organizational priorities, and business outcomes, not just the mechanics of their particular project. And finally, I'm focusing on becoming a trusted leader because organizations will always value people who can build trust, align teams, navigate complexity, manage uncertainty, and lead under pressure. That's what make great project managers, and they do just that. And AI will still struggle with those areas significantly. Does that make sense? Okay, let's do a recap. AI is absolutely changing project management. There's no question. Administrative tasks like reporting, documentation, meeting summaries, basic analysis are increasingly being automated. But the most important part of project management still will require leadership, decision making, stakeholder management, executive communications, conflict resolution, organizational influence, um, and so those are the things that you're going to make up a great project manager. And the future project managers are becoming more strategic, not obsolete. And while AI won't replace great project managers who refuse to adapt to AI may struggle working forward because everyone around them is going to use it. So the winning combination in the future will be strong leadership plus intelligent use of AI, and that's where the project management profession is heading. This is a video that helped you think about AI and project management differently. I love that. That's exactly what I was wanting to do. If you like these real world PMO and project management insights, hit the like, hit the bell, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you online. Thanks.